Tonight, let's take a deep dive into 5 catalysts to watch for Nvidia's earnings tomorrow. Okay, so 5 catalysts that could change the way things happen for Nvidia, or at least affect the things that happen with Nvidia tomorrow. Welcome to the Aftermarket. I am your host, Dawn, aka J&J Video Reacts, and this is the Aftermarket live chat and watch party, a show that's been created by traders for traders to have a place to come after the market and just kick back, talk market jargon, relate to each other, and focus on the strategies that we learned from Coach Chad W. Christian, who is the owner and CEO and the founder of none other than American Dream Trading, which is a stock market community that really feels more like a family. He started American Dream Trading back in 2021, and in August 1st of 2022, which we just celebrated our 3-year anniversary of going live, he went live on TikTok, all the platforms, and has since exploded on the scene with a one in a, how would you call it? He's the only one that does it. Let's put it that way, where he trains with a live open microphone, where you can actually interact with him, ask him questions, and he focuses on your success. He's not just a stock market guru that has 33 years of experience and all he does is trade in front of you while you watch him. No, he trades, and he also teaches us how to trade. He teaches us how to find support and resistance lines. He teaches us about all kinds of strategies, whether it be swing trading, it could be long-term, short-term, day trading, you name it. We also do crypto, and we also do futures here at American Dream Trading. So if you're looking to get into any of those markets, you can find it. This is your one-stop shop for learning and growing your portfolio, right? But doing it the right way. Right? And none of us are financial or tax professionals, but everything that you do here is for training and education and purposes only. So yeah, we're going to talk about the 5 catalysts tonight. I want to give a shout out to Richard, who is one of the moderators in the group, and he gave me an awesome little video, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to play it tonight. He took the time to record that. So what I'll do is I will still edit it, and I'll just go ahead and put it on Discord if Discord will allow me to do that. But I didn't have time to do what I wanted to do with it. And when I tried to bring it over to what I needed to do with it, it just, my phone started acting weird. So I apologize, Richard, but it's still going to get out there because it's great information. Do me a favor, let's take care of some housekeeping. We are trying to get Coach to 20,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys are, number one, smashing that like button, right? And also sharing the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, because that's how we're going to get them to the 20K. And right now we are sitting at 16,114. Way to go, gang. Way to, slowly but surely get them up that trend there. We were sitting at 10,000 not that far back, and then we made it to 15, and now we're at 16. So we are steadily on our way to the 20K. Right now, if you want to join the crypto membership, it's only $19. That is a $125 a month membership, and it will renew at the regular rate once the sale price is up. I believe that ends at the end of this week. Also, if you want to join our premium membership, which is the membership where you can join the Zoom call, get the one-on-one type style training with Coach. You can get trading view indicators. No, I don't think they come with that. Nope, that's a different membership. Sorry about that. There's so many of them. I'm telling you, we have so much stuff over here to offer you to learn how to trade the right way. It's insane. IPO Center, is with that, and hot stock picks. That's what it is. I was trying to think of hot stock picks. Yes. And last but not least, futures training, right? So with a futures membership, now that does include the trading view indicators. That's why it's $49 for the sign up for that. And that renews at its regular rate of $250. So a lot of stuff. And this week is the absolute last week for the Diamond membership. Now, the Diamond includes not only the memberships that I just discussed with you, but it also includes, and hold on to your hat, our VIP membership, as well as the VIP Gold add-on that only comes if you are a VIP member. That now has taken everything we talked about to a whole nother level. Not only does it include the crypto training, the futures training, and the basic premium membership, but it also includes now a plethora of videos. Now, you do get videos with the premium memberships and all the other videos, but it includes a whole new library of in-depth training on video. So, and you also have those recordings to be able to listen to it anytime. It includes weekend training. It includes gold breakout room trainings throughout the week. It includes mastermind classes, workshop classes. The trading view indicators are included with that membership. Everything that we have is included in that membership with the exception of crypto and futures. Now, with the Diamond, you get everything. Now you can imagine how much something like that would cost, because he sells he sells the yearly membership for those for like $5,000 a piece, right? So to get all four, it'd be like $20,000. That's what the price of it was, right? 4,000. This is the last week. He is no longer offering the Diamond Lifetime. That is 4,000 for a lifetime, never to pay anything else again, even with upcoming stuff like the Platinum that he's got coming up, which is phenomenal, by the way. You're going to be able to watch traders in here trade live, right? So, yeah, I'm telling you, it's going to be phenomenal. So take advantage. You can go to americandreamtrading.com, which is, it is located in the description of the video. We have to get it in the chat. Maybe somebody can help me out with that. Yeah, that's how you can get started. Let me go ahead and also put the panel link out, because this is a fully interactive show. So you don't just have to see me on the screen. You can watch fellow members come up here and join me as we have discussions regarding the topic of the night. Let me go ahead and put that out there. I hope everybody had a green day today in the market. Let me know down in the live chat if you had a green day. And if you had a red day, that's fine too. It's not fine, but it's something we can learn to grow from, right? And if you want to come up here and talk about it, we can pick the trade apart. All right, let me paste the link in there. All right, there we go. What is going on there? Huh. Well, I guess it worked, because I think somebody popped in. Hold on one second. Let me let him in. James L., what's up, brother?
Miss Dawn, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, good. You need to go talk to your honey real quick.
Well, what's up?
No, seriously though, your new green screen just got there.
Oh, did it really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, we'll have to use it tomorrow. I'm already locked and loaded in here. All right. Let me put. Let's see. Let's put this one here. That's a good one. Why did I do that? No. Let's go back to it. Okay. So We got the big news for tomorrow. Nvidia's earnings.
Right?
Yeah, man. What are you thinking? Do you ever play Nvidia?
Yeah, I did the other day. That's what I took that loss on.
Ah, what were you test running it maybe? Just to kind of get your feet wet with it?
Yeah, yeah. It happens.
It does, you know. But what are you going to do? So tonight, we're going to go over 5 catalysts that could affect Nvidia's earnings. Okay, so anybody down there, you guys know that Nvidia can be it can be treacherous if you don't know what you're doing, right? Let's see here. It's not pulling up the chat for me. Hold on. What's up, people? How are you? I see you down there, Issy. What's up? Chad H is down there. Papa Todd's down there. JC Trading's down there. What's up? F2, what's up, buddy? Don't forget, F2 is going to be here September 2nd to hang out with us and talk with us about his success. Can't wait for that. And we got Marlena in here. What's up, Miss Lady?
Hey Don, hey James. How you guys
Hey,
doing?
doing good. How about yourself?
Pretty good. Thank you.
Cool beans. Just saying hi to everybody real quick.
We
Chad H, Papa Todd, J Dog. Romantic. What's going on? Vegan knowledge. Thank you, sweetheart. I couldn't do it. I had already hit the live button. I heard you knocking on the door, but I couldn't hear because I had the headset on. So I had already hit the live button. I'm sitting in the chair. I got this thing situated behind me. So I had to keep it moving. Love your face though. Thank you. And of course, wouldn't you know it, James? Right at 4 o'clock, the thing comes. Come on now. What is that? What am get me out of your wheel. Why am I manifesting all this bullshit?
Right. That's why I had to laugh. So the first
You
thing I had to
handed it
tell
off
you.
to me. Yeah, dude. Right at the certain times when things need to happen, the shit decides it wants to hit the fan, right? Oh, by the way, all you had all day, but right when you're live starting and you've already put the couch up by the door so you can fit the green screen behind you so your wife can't open the door, your green screen's gonna come. I'm like, I've been waiting all day. But coach, there you go. It's here. Oh man, you gotta love it. Okay, let's pull them up. Let's take a look at the catalyst. So tonight we're talking about the 5 because Nvidia's got earnings tomorrow, Marlena. So
oh, okay.
2 years, 2.5 years, going on 3 years. I've been in this group, and I've been witness to quite a few Nvidia earnings. Right, Nvidia definitely moves the market. All right. So, I mean, people will sit on their hands for days preparing for NVIDIA. I remember the very first time that back in 2023, when I first came to the group and NVIDIA had its earnings, and it was in I think it was like the first part of the year, like first quarter earnings. God. I mean, I've never seen numbers move so fast on a chart.
Yeah.
I mean, I had my Robinhood up on my phone. Flick, 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 flick. I mean, it just looked like one of those calculator tickers, right?
Right?
And I was like, yeah, I was eating sunflower seeds, and it's like, all of a sudden, it's just flick, flick, flick. I mean, it's just going higher and higher. I mean, it literally moved hundreds of dollars inside of a couple of minutes. I mean, it went from like 300 to something like $600 in like 10 minutes. Yeah, it like doubled. So yeah, that was crazy. And then of course the market corrected itself later on in the week. It kind of came back down and settled around like 4 something. But still, if you were in it, oh man.
Nice.
Yeah, you made a lot of money. That was an account changer. Um So tonight, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at 5 catalysts that could actually affect Nvidia's earnings. Number 1, guidance for the next quarter, right? Nvidia's forward guidance is a huge factor. If they project strong revenue growth, especially in their data center, the hell's that? Or AI segment, that can drive the stock price up. So guidance for next quarter is huge. It all depends on what they're doing, right? Number 2. Anybody else want to read that so I'm not struggling so much?
New product announcements. If they unveil any groundbreaking technology like a new GPU series or advancements in AI hardware, that can create a lot of excitement.
There you go. That's huge. Right? So if they come up with new products and their new products kick butt, obviously that's going to affect their earnings, right? Strategic partnerships, any new collaborations, especially with big names in tech, could signal future growth and market expansion. We are always hearing about Nvidia's partnering up with somebody, and anytime they do, it tends to move both stocks, right? It always usually is really good for the one that they're partnering up for. Have you guys noticed that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Anytime somebody partners up with Nvidia, they blow up. At least for a day.
Oh yeah. You get some of that, buy the rumor, sell the news.
Yes.
Supply chain updates. Given the global chip shortage, any positive news about supply chain stability or improvements can reassure investors.
That's good. That's always good. Didn't we recently hear some bad news about them?
Yes, ma'am.
So
that could majorly affect their forecast.
Yeah.
So, and I think that's something Coach was saying, that even if their earnings and everything is above board, excellent, great, and like any other time, if their forecast is crap, well, what do you think's going to happen?
The funny thing is, it's so weird because you go in with that kind of expectation, and then the exact opposite happens, like the other day, right? So one of Coach's strategies that he trains us on when earnings come is, it's 2 of them. One is, don't trade it if you're brand new, because the market is so volatile that you could literally lose your shirt if you don't know what you're doing. The second one is, guess what? What do you guys think? Any guesses? Guesses down there in the chat. What do you think Coach tells us to do? What does Coach tell us to do on earnings plays?
Straddle.
Yes, sir. You got it. Straddle. That way you're covered on both ends. If it goes up, you're getting paid. If it goes down, you're getting paid. Either way, you're making money. If it goes to the downside and stays that way, you get rid of your call. If it goes to the upside and stays that way, you get rid of your put. Either way, you're able to get in it from both sides. I know one of our members loves to do straddles with situations like that. So, yeah, that's a good strategy. And last but not least, I think that was 4, wasn't it?
Competitive positioning. Insight into how Nvidia is positioning itself against competitors like AMD or Intel, especially in high growth areas like AI and data centers.
Yep.
And those data centers are going up everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, there's 1, to 5 or 6 within 15 minutes of my house that I know of.
Really?
Wow. Jeez.
Wow, that they are not playing around.
Yep. And then now they're not all Nvidia based, but yeah. Nvidia, like Coach has always said, they're the number one. They're the top dog when it comes to chips. So
That's it. At least they were. They're getting some competition now.
true.
Everybody wants to take them down. Aftermarket. Am I seeing this right? Is MBY back in play? Remember NBY from the other day?
MBY.
I think that I played that. I remember playing that. It was the day Thor came out. Remember? The same
yeah.
day Thor came out. This thing here came out.
Let's see.
Oh,
I thought we'd be talking about stuff like Mongo.
Huh?
Mongo, MDB. They just had earnings this evening.
Ah, okay. How'd they do?
They are up.
Let's check it.
Reported $1. Estimate was 66 cents. Revenue reported 591.4 million. Estimated was 553.94 million. That's almost 37.5 million surprise in revenue.
And yet it's flat.
Are you looking at it on the 1 minute?
Let me see what I got over here.
NBY.
It is MDB.
No. MDB.
That's what I'm on. MDB on the 1 minute.
It went from 217 to 264. It's still above the 9. That's a big boy stock.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, that is top.
And that's
I looked up a few of the smaller, other companies that had earnings tonight.
Yeah, because look, that is MDB, right? Is that the same chart you have on the 1 minute?
No.
Well, what's going on? It's got MDB 1 minute. Let's see. Let me make sure that name's right.
James.
What?
Bless you. M as in money, D as in dog, B as in boy.
Yes.
Okay.
MongoDB.
Okay.
Okay, MongoDB. Yeah, I got it up here. MDB. Yeah, that's the right one.
Yeah, see, I'm looking at it on TradingView, and that's completely different. I don't know.
Well, TradingView differs from Webull too. Let me make sure. Am I on the right extended hours and stuff like that?
Yeah, I just looked up MDB on my Webull. It's the same.
Extended. What should it be on? Extended, night, or auto? Extended, right?
Extended.
Ah, there we go. That would explain
There you go.
That would explain it.
Yeah.
All right, Mongo. That's Ted stock.
Yeah.
Wow, this is crazy.
Yeah, that went all the way up and then dropped down.
Yeah, it's still riding over the 9. Everything. Look how the 9 and the 21 are like literally rainbowed over VWAP right here. That is a beautiful chart right there.
Let me
Let's see. NBY. NBY is looking good too. Not quite as good as Mongo.
Right.
I'm trying to see if there's any of these that we hadn't missed already that still have volume.
SLRX. That one's kind of flattened out a little bit.
Scooby Snacks.
What'd you say, Scooby Snacks?
Yeah, somebody put Scooby Snacks in the Papa Todd.
Let's see.
What's BBAI doing? BBAI.
DBAI.
BB.
BB. Oh, I remember that from back in the day.
Yeah. It looks like algo trading.
Yeah,
Up,
it sure
down,
does. Barcode.
up, down.
Barcode. That looks like something I should scan my new hat on.
Oh yeah.
It's like a tag. BTAI. BTAI is not that bad. At least it don't look like a barcode. And it's moving up.
There you go.
All of these AI stocks, because of Nvidia, you guys know are going to get play.
See, what is it? CXAI?
Let's look at that one.
Okay.
That's why Coach says Nvidia is going to move the market, because it affects so many other companies just based on who they are and what they do.
Oh yeah, I see that one. That one.
CXAI.
CXAI.
I think that's what it was. No, yeah. It's just AI, C3 AI.
Oh, Oh, that one. C3AI.
Yeah.
That's right.
Oh.
Yeah, looks like it'd been a pretty good downplay all day.
Yeah, look at that. Boom. Oh, hell yeah. Almost right for it. Shot up from the open.
Yeah, that was a huge.
That was a false breakout right there.
Well, and I wonder too, how much should we be watching the quantum computing stocks?
Well, yeah, definitely the quantum computing, because that's going to tie in with Nvidia and all of that.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, to say, even if Nvidia is not in your price range, there's most likely something that will be affected by Nvidia earnings that you can play.
Namely, one of these stocks. One of these stocks that we just looked at is a perfect example of that.
Yep.
Yeah. BTAI is going up a little bit here. And I got lines on that one. Yep, look at that. So this is where it's been before. BTAI. Yeah, this one is like $6.43. If you can't get into Nvidia, which is going to cost you a couple $100, $6.43 is certainly something that you can go pick up. Not financial or tax advice. We're not saying get in anything, But you could chart it out, take a look at it, see if it's feasible, and it's really affordable. So that's what you got to do.
Yeah, we got QBTS at $15, QUBT at $15. The AI is $17. Yeah, there's a whole list. Someone could probably even Google AI stocks.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Ask Gemini. You use AI to find AI.
That's actually a really, really good idea. Gemini, find me some stocks.
Well, I don't I don't have a whole lot else for you today, Miss Dawn. I've been kind of preoccupied with household stuff majority of the day.
Right. Well, I'll tell you what, this has been cool. That's what we came on to talk about, and we did that. We don't have to stay on here for an hour, right? So um guys, just be mindful. Nvidia is very volatile, like we said in the beginning, and we gave you 5 catalysts here just to sum it up. Go over them for you one more time.
One more to take a look at. Chad H brought up in the chat NVTS. Nancy, Victor, Tango, Sierra, Sam, whatever.
Okay.
And then 360 STS. You're asking about Nvidia earnings. That's tomorrow aftermarket, correct?
Yep. Here we go with our barcode.
Well, that's what it's doing right now. What you look back at through the day, like what's its average volume and how does it trade? So you're just saying it might be one to keep an eye on.
Yeah, it looks pretty choppy. Came down pretty good in the earlier part of the day, though. Yeah, it just kind of stayed down. But that could be the setup, right? Everybody getting it low so that they can buy low, sell it high. That's the name of the game. You got to drive it down in order to get a good price for it. So.
What? Let's see. What about, let's see. DNA. Oh, no, that wasn't a good one.
Huh?
Oh, I was trying to see if there was some other ones that may have came about. I think James named them all off.
Yep.
But between you two, you guys did good on that.
I think that also, there's always a list in Discord where someone puts the list up of the smaller cap stocks that you can go through. I know Maria's done it. And you guys can go look through and find yourself a couple of smaller cap stocks and go ahead and take a look at them, research them, look into what they do, look into their financials, just to make sure, you know what I mean? You don't want to get into something. We're not really getting into a long term. This is a place they can turn long term.
No.
Cool thing about it, Right. But definitely stuff to go take a look at.
Yep. And what is that? TZA? I think somebody already mentioned that.
The inverse ETF for Nvidia.
MVTS, I think.
Yeah, she answered her own question.
see. That's cool.
All right.
All right.
Well, it was nice seeing you guys' faces today.
Yours too. Yours too.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and pull up a couple of Juan's videos because he has been working so diligently hard in the background. I'm going to play a couple of these before we get out of here. So, but thank you guys for coming and hanging out. I appreciate you.
That sounds good.
You guys are awesome. All right, let's see here. What was the last one I played? I think it was this one, VWAP. Oh, yep, I don't remember playing that one. Let's take a quick look at it. Shout out to Juan, our full-time video creator.
What is my favorite trade?
See what we got going on here.
Setup on SPY, you guys, is wait till the break and hold above 567.50. Break and hold above 567.50. You guys are looking at ES futures. We want to wait for the break and hold of 57. We'll just say 57.11. Okay. Now we are up here on a double top on SPY. Everybody see it? That is a double top setup. There it goes. Collected.
Perfect.
Now
Double top, so the way to go.
$269.70 off that double top pullback.
That's Coach's two favorite trades. Double top, double bottom.
Look at that. Yep. Oh my gosh. Just forget. That's it. Mic drop. I'm out of here. That's it. I'm done. I'm out. I'm gone. You saw me trade it. You saw me call it. You saw me talk about it. I've got 8 million training videos on it. What is my favorite trade in the business? Go ahead.
Double top, double bottom. We literally.
And what did it do?
Came right down off the double top.
Right?
Yep.
Come on now.
The clickety click.
Come on, get in, get green, get out, right?
That's it.
Let's go. For everybody else, 2-minute EWOs. Look at Apple, that huge pullback. Who collected on Apple once it broke below that 199.91, which broke that little V setup? Anybody? If you didn't, you're like, why didn't I make my money?
Collected some on the way up just in case, and then collected at yesterday's high. And then
who was that? The Apple Whisperer?
And that is why he is a beautiful human being, everybody, right there. Let's give it up for him right now. Glorious.
Mark's over there crushing ES, coach.
Good job. Yeah, he's next level now. Next level. I told you it was coming. All right, here we go. ES, come on, baby. We're watching it here now. And SPY, looking to see if we're going to get a bounce off of VWAP here. Not. I'm going to be set up for the next setup. Remember, A+ setups, small position size. Let the runners go. Work what you need to. Stop dinking around with your stops. Everybody should have already made money today. Everyone in the room. We've only had one trade. Double top pullback. That was it. Am I right?
That's it.
Oh, look at this bleeding out still. Wow. Double top pullback still. Who got in it? Talk to me. This is bouncing on the 200. I should have waited till the break and hold. Sitting on the 200 here. Extremely heavy, but sitting on the 200. Still sitting here. Not good for me. Should have waited just a smidge longer.
Just a smidge.
Give this a second. That'll work. There we go. Come on. There we go. There's the flush. That's better. I'll take it. What should have happened is I should have waited till right there. That was the move. But I'll take it up 500 for the day.
Nice.
3 trades, all A+ setups. Didn't force anything. Set up beautifully. Who would like to make $500 in 14 minutes, 3 clicks?
I'll take it.
Taking me less than 1 minute total time.
Well,
of
I
work.
suppose.
Anybody else?
Yes, Coach.
Thank
All
you.
day,
I think
every
I can
day.
work that
Thank
out,
you.
Coach.
Now, you
James,
want to know what's
Thank
really
you.
crazy? I do that 10 times today. I just paid for an entire Diamond Lifetime membership, which will give me access to all of the training over at American Dream Trading. Literally, if I do that 10 times today, lifetime of training. Are you serious?
Coach GPUS is climbing up still.
Thank you, partner.
What do you think of that?
Thank you. This is still flushing out over here on SPY. You guys are still riding this double top, yes? The double top pullback. My gosh.
Be careful at 566. You're gonna have support at 566 on SPY.
Yep, I've got it marked. Yep, 566. That's exactly where I got it marked. Good call out.
Yep.
Watching the key critical areas. Nobody's trying to be a hero. We're waiting for A+ setups. Again, if you did not get on the double top pullback, what are you doing? If you're a scalper, what are you doing when you did not get into that? Right? Oracle says over on the free YouTube channel, I'm up $550. There you go. Guess what, Oracle and everybody else that's listening, for $750, you guys can get a lifetime premium membership, which normally costs $125 a month. I haven't ran that sale in over 2 years. You just made enough, almost, to cover a lifetime membership in the premium area. Thank you. So the real question is, who is still in this from the double top pullback?
Me.
Yep. Is that the greatest, most beautiful trade or what?
This is probably the first time
You saw me.
That's why I do the afternoon one-on-ones, because it keeps me from sitting there taking a bunch of trades.
It's true, right? You'll be like, oh, what's that? Oh, it's
Yeah.
it's doing the things.
Oh, it looks easy. Here it is. Let's try this one. Let's try this. And I find myself getting into more and more scalps in the afternoon. I do have the discipline, at least.
Yep.
If I am trading in the afternoon, I typically go in smaller. So.
Right. Yeah, well, that's good. So at least you're not, going to get burned if you do something silly, right? Yeah, whatever you got to do to lock yourself out. And we all know, right? We all have to be like our own supervisors. You know what I mean? Whatever it's going to do for you, because especially, once we start to see the charts and all the things. And I'm going to tell you this, there will never be a time, right, when you're looking at the chart and you're not like, oh, this is a great spot. Especially after you've been with me for a while. It's because every spot, it could be a great spot because you can see things that most people can't see, but that doesn't mean you need to be trading 24/7. Yeah, it might be a great spot. Look at this nice pop. That's the pop I was talking about. Yeah, it might be a great spot, right? But that don't mean you got to trade it, because every spot would be great, especially as a scalper. As a scalper, oh, that's bouncing off the 9. Oh, it's going to bounce off 21. Oh, it's bouncing off support. Oh, it's bouncing off resistance. Oh, there'd be one. Like, it could be anything. You know what I mean? Like, we got to really, really control ourselves as scalpers, right? Like, the whole time it could be something. You know what I'm saying? So we need to be disciplined. We need to look for the A+ setups. We need to not trade everything, right? Now, I actually like this setup. People are like, why are you still in? I actually like this. I got stopped out because I wasn't below the 21. But I like this because remember, if it can't hold support, it's going to tank. But as long as this can stay up above support, we should get a nice pop here, right? 21, end all be all. I made the mistake when I got in this trade earlier. I did not use my own 21, which was up here because I'm over here looking at this one, but it should have been this one, right? If it can't hold this and it comes through, hits my level of, hits my stop, breaks through the 21, I'm going to short that thing, right? But that tells me, but right now I have to trade the trade. And to trade the trade, it's telling me you're on support. So on support, I got to long it. I don't have a choice. It's in the strategy. I don't get to make up my own rules. That ain't the damn that ain't the strategy, right? You don't get to do it either. Oh, but it had 3 candles and it's, look at 3 down, down, down. Look at 3 down, down, down. Everybody like, oh, but it's going to drop out no matter what. It's support. I got my risk in place. My risk is from here to here. This is my risk. Look at this pops up here though. Whoops, that was a terrible drawing. This pops up here. This is my reward. You see the difference? Anybody? See what I'm saying? That's the beauty of it. Will you lose trades? Yes. A lot of them. It's how you handle the loss, right? And guess what? If I have 3 trades in a row that triggered my stop loss, I'm done. If I have 10 that are great and 2 that are red and then another one that's red, but I, might be way up for the day, well, then I'll evaluate it, right? But get into those good A plus trades. Let the tool work, which is your money inside of the system. Let your stop loss do its job. No, you guys don't see me going, oh, it could come back. Oh, I'm going to let it come back. I'm going to let it come back. I'm going to let it come back. Well, anybody see me do that? No. I put it in. It needs to be here. Why? Allow a little bit of a candle breakthrough. If it breaks through and holds, I don't want to be in that trade anyways. Get me the hell out of there, right? Are we all on the same page? And by the way, this has gone green a crap load of times while I have been training you. There it goes green again. Move my stop, protect my trade. There's the pop I wanted. Like to see a little bit more room. Did everybody see, though, how I let it work? It was the right trade. I am now up $300 on the trade. Did you see it? When the whole world's like, there's no way, but you had 3, candles coming to the downside. Right? I got the shirt. I got the American Dream Trading shirt. I went out. I bought the mouse pad. I got the bowling bag. I go fast, fast, zoom, zoom. It's like when you buying the Borland exhaust sticker from, look at that, $437 trade. Now I'm going to protect this a little bit more. Why? Oh, it's not even going to let me. This stop is broke. Taking my money. $250. It was $375 when I clicked the button, and I made $250. Everybody saw the trade. You saw why I did what I did, how I did it, when I did it. Right, boom, there it is, new high day. Look at that. My stop broke, by the way. That's why I killed it. I could have put in a new one and did the things, but it's okay. I was coming up to a double top. We always know watch for a double top, but there it goes. So was I right or was I wrong?
You were right, coach.
Did anybody see me panicking? Didn't I have my stop in place? Wasn't my risk management on point? So what did I care if it pulled back? Right? Like I said, I got burned on the first one because my stop wasn't below this 21. So these were a little too tight. It's okay. My second one made up for the first one. So boom, now you could be like, oh, you're break even now. That's okay too.
Some good videos. Dawn, you're muted.
Forgot all about that.
You didn't play a whole lot of charades, did you?
No, I didn't. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end with Coach's rules, gang. It's been a long day. I want everybody to be careful tomorrow. Okay, Nvidia is nothing to mess around with. If you're not familiar with it, or if you don't play earnings, please make sure you are using stops. Don't get in it if you're not familiar, and if you are, consider the straddle strategy. So, but other than that, anything else you want to add, James, before we get out of here?
No, we're good, huh?
All righty. Have a good one, gang. And
Not
I
all.
will see you guys tomorrow.
You guys remember all the rules. You must follow all of them. Not some. You don't get to sprinkle in your own and leave mine out. You must follow all the rules. Always have a stop loss in each and every trade. If you're a new trader, make sure you are simulate trading only using a paper account. I don't want anybody losing their money while you are in training. Make sure you guys are using small position sizes. This will allow you to let those runners run and stop out the losers. Again, stops on every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Make sure you guys are journaling every single day. It's one of the most important pieces of what we do on top of the risk management, so that you can help assess what you are doing and make the changes that you need to do. Don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you're a new trader. And if you are an experienced trader, please be careful the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the trading day.
I was stuck in the cycle, just spinning my wheels, chasing time, losing sleep, forgetting how to feel. Dreams collecting dust on a shelf in my mind, till I found a spark, a way to realign. Not just numbers, charts, or lines on a screen. It was a mirror that showed who I could be. American dream trading, you opened the door, gave me the tools, now I'm asking for more. No more waiting for life to decide. You gave me the pen so I can rewrite. From fear to focus, from doubt to drive, I found my strength, now I'm alive. You didn't just teach me to trade, you helped me rewrite my life. Used to think I missed my chance, too late to change, but you showed me growth lies outside the cage. Now I'm building something real, not just getting by. Flipping setbacks into fuel, reaching for the sky. You said mindset first, and now I see. Success starts with who you believe you can be. American dream trading, you opened the door, gave me the tools, now I'm asking for more. No more waiting for life to decide. You gave me the pen so I could rewrite. From fear to focus, from doubt to drive, I found my strength, now I'm alive. You didn't just teach me to trade, you helped me rewrite my life. It's not about luck, it's learning to lead, turning every loss into a seed. Now I grow with every rise and fall, trading pain for pride. Thanks to the dream. Now rewrite my life.